Hi everyone, so this is going to be my Disneyland college program apartment tour for fall 2019. So this is our kitchen and common area. There's quite a lot of room in here, so we have a lot of space to decorate and kind of make it our own. We have our costume rack hanging here and we just have it there so we can just grab it and go to work. We have our little TV set up, and they also give us a lot of room for our storage, so we each have a locker and we can just put our personal belongings in there. And there's also some right next to the washer and dryer, which is kind of hidden away in this closet, and it's really nice because it's kind of out of the way. And we also have a nice little storage closet that we can all just put our random things in, and it's in between the rooms, so it's just kind of an easy common area to grab and go. So this is our room, and this is me and Amelia's room. She also has a channel, so I can link that below. But as you can see, we have a lot of Disney vibes going on in here. I'm going to show you my side of the room, and then I'm going to go into a little overview of everything. I've got a lot of Disney vibes going on, obviously. I've got my windowsill with my Tsum Tsums and other cute little Haunted Mansion things, and I got my perfumes and all of my stuff just on the windowsill. I've got a calendar and a nice little license plate, and of course the hidden Mickey is on my blanket, which aren't so hidden, but I love the touch that the blanket has. And around our entire room we decided to put up string lights, which kind of gives it more of a cozy feel, which I totally love. And of course I have my junk drawer, which is, you know, full of random things, and I've got two of those, and then one of these is Amelia's as well. Then moving on to almost everyone's favorite part of the room, which is the ear wall, which is basically a collection of our ears that we've collected over time going to the parks. Most of them are Amelia's, but I do have obviously my Haunted Mansion collection of everything. This is my little makeup area, of course Haunted Mansion vibes, because it's me. And she has her pin wall, basically, which is like a whole bunch of like the little Peter Pan and a collection of other pins that she likes, and we put it next to this little cork board full of random things as well. Just kind of a mixing pot of random Disney items and important papers. Then moving on to the bathroom, it's got a lot of room surprisingly, and I'm not really sure why, but I'm not going to complain because it's nice. And basically this is a little overview, pretty self-explanatory. We have a little Disney banner hanging up and a Disney tissue box, but we gotta make everything a little bit Disney, you know, with the stickers and everything. That was the best $1 I've ever spent, and they were super cute and easy add-on, and it just makes the bathroom just a little bit more, you know, cute and enjoyable. So lastly, we move over to my closet. I didn't bring a whole lot of clothes with me since I would be wearing my costume most of the time, but I did, of course, bring a few of my favorite things. And I actually have a lot of room in here, and I just put random things up above. It's a lot more storage for me, and it's kind of hidden away with the sliding doors, so I really like that effect. But yeah, guys, that was my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed.